Okay, good morning, grade sevens. Here we are back at home. Okay, today we are going to finish activity 15.3, page 209. And I'm going to give you another one or two assignments after this, but you need to finish this today, please. It's today's work. We're on page 205. And we're going to start with finding the value of an expression by substitution. So at number one, they are saying find the value of the variables. Now remember, a variable, that's a changeable x, y, m, or z. Okay, so those are variables. So if I look here, a will be the variable, x will be the variable, y will be the variable, and m will be the variable. Solve by means of inspection and check your answers by means of substitution. So what we're going to do, well, first of all, we need to solve the equation. So step number one, I take all my constants. Constants are numbers that cannot change. Okay, so if I have a plus 15 equals 22, I will take the plus 15 and I will move it over to that side of the equation. And then I will end up with a equals, that's all that's left on this side. If I take that over, I'm still gonna have 21 on this side of my equal sign, minus 15. And then 21 minus 15, that's 6. Okay, next one. C. 18 minus x equals 9. What do? I take my constants, that's my constant, and I take it over to that side. Then I am left with my negative x equals 9 stays over here, minus 18, because the invisible plus is in front of that 18. So it's positive 18, taken to the other side, minus 18 or negative 18. So then I end up with negative x equals 9 minus 18. And 9 minus 18 gives me, Ben, answer, minus 9. Okay, and now when you see a minus on this side and a minus on that side, and negative x equals negative 9, that means that x will be the same as 9. Why? If I had minus 2 equals minus x, and x was equal to 2, minus 2 equals minus 2, then that implies that 2 will be equals to 2. It changes nothing. Okay, now number D. Y minus 13 equals 8. What do? I take my minus 13, I take it over to that side, then I end up with y equals 8. Minus 13 turns into a plus 13. Then I end up with 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13, people? Nicole? 8 plus 13? 21. Hope you got that. Okay, now number E, 1E. 6m equals 30. Remember, a 6 next to a variable is the same as 6 times the m. So 6 times m equals 30. How do I get rid of times 6? I have to divide by this side by 6, and I have to divide that side by 6. Whatever I do on this side, I need to do on that side. So then I end up with those two, what do you call it? Whatever. Then m equals 30 divided by 6. 30 divided by 6 gives me 5. They cancel each other out. Couldn't get the word, really. Monday morning blues. Number 2, calculate y if x equals 4. Okay, so now all I need to do, I have to substitute the x with a 4. At number 2, they say find the value of an expression by substitution. So I'm going to, every time that I see an x, I'm going to replace it with a 4. So this will be y equals 4 to the power of 3. And the answer will be, Shane, definitely not 4 times 3. It's 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16, times 4, 64. That's my answer. So y will be equal to 64. Okay, let's look at this one. Y equals 3x divided by 2. First step, I write y equals, and I replace my x with a 4. 3 times 4. Write it out like that. Divided by 2. Now it's easy. 3 times 4, 12. Divided by 2 equals 6. Okay, nice. Next page. Alrighty. Now, number 3, they say, complete the tables by substituting the x values into the equation to find the corresponding value of y. So here we have the x values at the top, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 11. And we've got the output value y. My equation, y equals x squared minus 1. Now you've got to remember that this is the same as the rule. So what do? I take my x values, these are my x values, and I substitute it. I substitute that x with that x value. So that will become a 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2, 2 times 2, 4 minus 1. That will give me 3. Now I take my next x value. I replace that x with a 3. Then I have 3 to the power of 2. 3 times 3 gives me 9. Minus 1, 8. Next one. I replace my x value in that equation with a 5. 5 to the power of 2. 5 times 5, 25. Minus 1, 24. And you keep on going. You finish that for me. Okay, you've got to do 3a to d. Next one, number 4. Here they say, complete the flow diagram. Okay, nothing new here. We've done this a million times to get the y value. All right. Substitute the x values in the equation to calculate the input or output value. So now we work from this side to that side. These are my x values. These are my y values. So I replace my x values firstly with a 2. 3 times 2, 6. Minus 1, 5. Y equals 5. That's why under the y I have the 5. Next one. I'm taking the 1. I am substituting it, replacing that x with a 1. 3 times 1, 3. Minus 1, 2. Okay. Keegan, 10. I'm going to replace that x value with the 10. So I'm going to have y equals 3 times 10. 3 times 10, Keegan? 30 minus 1. 30 minus 1, Keegan? 29. Next one, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Minus 1, 8. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, guys, I'm going to make another video for you in the next half an hour. You need to complete this today still. Thank you very much. Otherwise, we are going to fall behind. Okay, have a lovely day. I will speak to you again. Bye.